Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, plug a data-capable USB cable from phone to laptop and keep both screens on. On the phone, open Settings and enable Mobile Hotspot or tethering, then switch on USB tethering. Once done, allow any permission prompts on the phone. You must accept connection or data sharing. On the laptop, watch for a new network adapter. It may install drivers automatically. If drivers begin, let them finish before proceeding, because the laptop needs the adapter ready to receive internet. Once the adapter appears, open your laptop's network settings to verify the USB connection is active and has an IP address. If Windows or your OS shows limited connectivity, install the phone or OEM USB network driver. Use the vendor's driver package on the laptop. Make sure the network profile is set to private so file and printer sharing behaves predictably. If you see an IPA address 169.254.x, toggle USB tethering off and back on to force DHCP renewal. You finish by testing the internet in a browser and running a simple speed or ping test to confirm packet flow. If connectivity fails, first swap the USB port and cable, then reboot phone and laptop. These quick steps resolve most issues. Make sure mobile data allowance is sufficient and airplane mode is off. If the laptop still won't detect the adapter, enable USB debugging as a last resort and reinstall drivers. Proceed carefully, because debugging changes phone behavior and may require extra permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.